Today, Amma is making Appo. Yay, one of my all-time favorites. Let's get to it.
Hi everybody, welcome to Perimaskitchen. I'm Selina's mom. Today we're going to make Appo, right? We start with 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of semolina, a pinch of salt, a teaspoon of yeast. Sift it all together. Okay, and a teaspoon of baking powder. And sift it all together. One-third cup of sugar. Sugar you can also add more if you want, according to your taste. Mix, 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 mix. Then you add lukewarm water. Once we've mixed that lukewarm water, we add 3 tablespoons of melted butter. And just leave to stand for about 2.5 to 3 hours. And then we'll get to the next step later. All you got to do now is just mix it well till you get a nice runny mixture and leave it to stand for about 2.5 hours or more if you want. It depends on you. So, okay, we left this for 3 hours and now we're going to get on with mixing. Now we're going to just mix it and see the thickness.
Amma has already shared her yellow recipe, so go check that out. And this is your reminder to subscribe, like and share.
Just have to make it like a pancake, you know? Okay, now we're making the appo. Let's just carry on, roll it this way. You gotta cook for a while. I always like to sprinkle some fresh coconut. You know, you can actually put the coconut into the mixture or you can put it on the top. Some people don't like coconut, so that's why I'm just doing it like this. A sprinkle of little fresh grated coconut this is. Sometimes you can use a little bit more butter if you want.
And you know who was waiting patiently to try the apples. We all thoroughly enjoyed it, but first in the queue was Yavi. And he loved it. So yummy. Thank you, Amma, for sharing this Appo recipe with us. And thank you, Shivaya, for videoing and editing. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Like and share. And Amma and myself are reading all of that lovely feedback in the comments. Sending you lots of love and light.